In this video, we are going to assemble the Chick Candybar wrap. So I'm going to start by assembling my chicks. And you're just going to apply the black to the backing for the eyes. And then we're going to put on the beaks. I had a little bit too much glue on that one, so watch the amount of glue that you're putting on. Okay. Then these layer on this piece here. Okay, so that's the next step. You want to start at the bottom, layer them from the bottom to the top. And they kind of turn at an angle. You'll be able to see how they fit together when you're putting them on. So you just want to look at your ear pieces and see that the curve matches the direction that it's going. You'll see the curve on the bottoms are slightly different because the ears are kind of cocked off to the side. So there we go. And then we're going to take this and we're going to glue it in place. Now you can see here that we don't want to put glue here on these wings because they do hang over. But on this side you want to include glue on the wings. And don't put it up on the bunny ears, because that also hangs over. Okay. Okay, so there is our chick. Now, because I have pieces that hang over, I am not using a belly band for this. I'm going to use some Velcro. And I found this pack of Velcro at the Dollar Tree. So putting the front and back of the Velcro together. And you'll just want to be careful not to touch that on anything except for where you want it to go. And then I'm going to bring this over. And when I've got it to where I want it to close, I'm going to push it down so that the glue will, the tape will stick. And then you can open and close your candy bar wrapper. And this is the Chick candy bar wrapper. Thank you for joining me.